What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is your man Alberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be a very quick review on the Jordan 4 Red Thunders. So basically I have a pair right here that I knew that wasn't going to be in my collection for very long, but I actually wanted to just film it and then show you guys and like give my opinion real quick and just give a quick breakdown. So that's basically what I did. Also, if you like macaroni and cheese, give this video a thumbs up, as I did spill some earlier on my t-shirt. So if you like it, hit that thumbs up. If you guys are interested in this shoe, I will have it linked in the description to StockX where you guys can actually cop the shoe. Now let's get into the breakdown of the Red Thunder 4s. So here it is, comes in the classic Jordan 4 box and cement print tissue paper. Here you can see the Red Thunders up close and personal. It has a very nice look to it, and luckily the black portion is made out of suede. Your tongue features the white Jumpman and red Flight logo and is paired with black laces only. Toe box you can see is faux suede, and it's not really going to be that really buttery smooth suede. It's going to be a little bit rougher. Underneath on the outsole we have the white Jumpman with mainly black and red panels. On the back portion we have the Jumpman white again with mainly black background and red on the midsole. Behind the tongue like usual is the Air Jordan upside down with red lining. It's a nice sneaker if you're going for a dark look, but if you're looking for a lighter outfit, I probably wouldn't recommend this sneaker. And with the red, it feels a little bit more forced as you can't wear it with every outfit. The box comes in a normal Jordan 4 box where you can see the size tag, the retail price of $190, colors, and more. Just like a normal box with normal writing on it. But if you actually want to see a Jordan 4 video where I do break down the sizing and all that extra stuff, here's a video right here in the ad card or link in the description. Check out that Jordan 4 video. But that's going to do it for me, guys. Like I said, this is going to be a very quick video. And if you guys want to see some more videos, I do post Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. So hit that subscribe button and see some more videos here pretty soon. Comment down below if you actually like the shoe or not. I'm curious to hear your opinions. I do like the shoe. Not my favorite. That's probably why I didn't keep it. But I do like the shoe. I just feel like with the outfit combinations, it's just a little bit too forced on the dark side. So I'm good off that. And if you guys want to see some more daily content, follow my Instagram. I do post fire photos. I don't think you want to miss it. But that's gonna do it for me, guys. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.